This is Izichi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Today, we're talking about the beauty of nature. How to rejuvenate yourself in the beauty of nature. Well, as you see, I have snow here. And all around me, it is cold, and it is not necessarily what some might consider a beautiful day. But on the other hand, beauty is where you find it. And this is the beauty of nature, the fresh air, the trees, the sunlight. All of these things contribute to our presence in the universe, to our position, Jishoi, time, place, and position. As we consider out here in the natural environment, we have an opportunity to commune with nature, to receive vibrations from the soil, from the air, from the sun, from the water. And these vibrations purify us. They make us healthier, if you would say. Healthier in the sense that we can put aside negativity, put aside our troubles, our worries, things that are weighing us down like stones, and instead focus on the beauty around us. The beauty of nature is rejuvenating, cleansing. So it's good when we get an opportunity to get out of the city, to get out into the country, away from the vibrations of industry and machines and just our rat race life. In the beauty of nature, we can breathe easy. We can think about nothing if you choose. You can just absorb the vibrations, the natural energies of life and existence. This is the purification of nature. Nature purifies us just as we receive toxins from our daily life, and as they accumulate, at some point they must be released. That is the purification. Whether it is disease, poverty, or conflict, all things must reach a certain point where they must be expelled from our life. So, I encourage you, as often as you can, go into the beauty of nature and refuel, rejuvenate. Bring that energy back to the world with you and share your light. Share your understanding. Become a beacon of light in this world of darkness. What are you doing to become a beacon of light? Let me know in the comments. Please share this video, like it if you can, find any use for it, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you get notifications. And until next time, let's see what kind of rejuvenation we can get from nature. This is Izichi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Namaste.